Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a chit chat. Get ready with me. I'm going to be doing a more simple makeup look. My hair is drying still. I'm just going to chit chat, put on some makeup, and talk to you guys about my current life. I don't know where I got this, but I'm going to get my hair away from my face and do some makeup. That's so cute. Oh my god, this is a look, girl. Okay guys. Wow. A lot has happened since I have had a serious sit-down conversation with you guys. I'm using the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer to prime my face. I've already moisturized my face. I spray tanned a few days ago. I was planning on doing something for Halloween, then didn't, and then just didn't. So I'm now, because I'm spray tan, I'm using the Kat Von D Light 48 foundation. Even though I'm not doing anything or whatever, I just want like a full coverage-ish. I'm not going to put a ton on. I'm just going to kind of put a little bit and space it all out here. I don't know really why I'm doing my makeup, but I just want to like sit down, have a chit chat, haven't worn makeup for a while. You know what it is. Sometimes makeup just makes you de-stress and everything. So that is what the goal is today. Yikes, I've been going through a lot. So basically the big thing in the title of this video and everything, it's not clickbait. A lot of you guys know I've been not keeping it a secret of the breakup. I've just been not sharing a ton of details because I don't want to like put it on display, if that makes sense. That was a terrible sound. Shugzy! That's a terrible sound. That's like nails on a freaking chalkboard. My cat's scratching the wall. I've been with Austin for almost 9 months, and recently we broke up. There's been a lot of fake assumptions, lies, people pretending they know anything, which has been like a little bit frustrating, but I get it. Like if you put your life on the internet, you're bound to have, you know, stuff like that happen. That's just the internet. But I just want to say, like, don't just believe what people are saying on the internet. I mean, certain things might be true, might not be, but if you don't know, then you don't know. I just need to say that I appreciate so much people that have been giving me respect, space, and everything. Love. I was crying on Snapchat one day, like full-heartedly, like crying my eyes out, saying like I need to take a break. Like I need to take a break. I don't know when I'll be posting. I had one video pre-filmed, and I was like, and then after that, like I don't know. You know, obviously I'm going through a breakup. I just said at the time it wasn't a breakup. I just said like something bad happened and I need time and space. And people were so concerned. They were like, oh, absolutely, you can have your space. I gave myself like a few days, and I was like, I'm good. Like I'm good. Like I don't want a breakup to stop me from my job, from doing what I love, from everything. So I took a few days, which were really hard, bawling my eyes out. Some days were good, some hours were good, I should say. Some minutes were terrible, or yelling at the wall, yelling at no one, yelling at a couch, you just yelling, you know, just having all the emotions. But then after a few days, I was like, you know what, I'm good. I'm gonna start posting. Again, I'm good. I'm gonna post every day for the rest of the month. I'm gonna do it. Like I'm so in it. Like I'm happy. Like not happy, but like I'm content. This is what I'm gonna do. And then, girl, life just hit. Oh my goodness, I'm out of my, oh no, there's a little bit left. My Lord have mercy setting powder. Usually I do my makeup facing the other way, so this isn't as difficult, but we're trying to film a video. I was just like, it was not a good idea to go straight back into it. I should have just given myself the time. And I was getting so many messages from you guys when I was like, you know what, I'm good now. People were like, oh, that quick of a break, girl? Like you should give yourself some time. Like you might think you're good now, but you need to give yourself some time. And I'm like, no, I feel like I'm good. Like I even told my friends and family, like, I feel like I'm good. I want to start posting. Like I feel, but you know what? I was not. And I immediately like shut the entire world down. And what I mean by that is like down to like my friends, family, you guys. My beauty punch went flying off. I thought that was kind of funny. I shut the world out because I came back to I'm fine too quickly. And that's facts, and I'm a human being, and sometimes we do that, and I thought I was good and clearly was not. You might think you're good, but you know, processing a huge breakup is heartbreaking. And little things just started making me break down, like things that would remind me of him. And did I make the right decision breaking up with him? Did I say I was fine too soon? Does that like show to the world like I didn't care about him? Like, you know, I was thinking like all these thoughts, and I was like, I'm over the world right now. So I just like shut it out. I didn't post on Snapchat. I didn't even open like Snap. I didn't post on Instagram. I didn't even look at anyone's stories. I didn't obviously post. I didn't even talk to my mom. Nobody. I just was like, when I'm doing like a chill makeup look, I use this. This is the Total Temptation Brow Definer in Soft Brown. I got this in a PR package a while ago. I feel like I just went back into it full force too soon. I was like, I posted 2 videos in one day. I'm gonna post every day for the rest of the month. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna grind 2 channels, recipe, this, that, and also like make suppers, do all that, like be back to normal. And I feel like it was just so quick for me, and that's a, you know, a mistake that I made. And maybe it's not a mistake, maybe it's a growing and learning experience. I'm not going into the reasons why of the breakup just because I feel like that's just, you know, personal. I just had all these questions and I just needed to shut the world out, de-stress, and focus on me for once in my life. Like just like not answer anyone. And then during that time, I was like, I just want to talk with Austin. We just started talking about everything, and I am very, very content right now of that decision that I made. Obviously not like shutting people out, but like, you know what, it is what I needed. And sometimes what we need is we know what we need. And I'm not saying that I am back with Austin right now. We just are on talking terms, speaking everything through, just kind of like figuring out, is this the best decision for the breakup and everything, like kind of just like talking out throughout all of our differences, crying, laughing, everything. I just wanted to just talk with him one-on-one without the world, without saying what I'm gonna do, right? Like without telling everyone, oh hey guys, this is what this is, and this is what this, and my job is to be me and to be on. It looks like I just gave the finger, I'm just holding this weird. I just felt in that moment, I am not me, and I'm not there to do that at that moment. So I made the best decision, because I feel like I would have just started saying something wrong or just not been me and just needed the time for me. And I was like, you know what, I agree with everyone like saying that like, you know what girl, just take the time for you, we will be here to support you. And when I posted my first vlog back, which was, I posted it today, you guys are so amazing. You're like, thank God you're okay. Thank you for taking the time for you. You don't know how many people were like, thank you for taking time for you. That's what we want. I just appreciate you guys so much. And I know now that like, I'm good. Like I'm not good, you know, but like, I know that that's what I needed. I know that's what I needed. I didn't do anything on Halloween. I literally sat in my house. I love Austin. I love him. I love him with everything in my heart. I want to be with him more than anything. I love him. Breakups are very, very hard. The decision I made was a good one and it was valid. They're just hard, and you guys know, and it's like your world is crashing down. You know, I did make a mistake of just coming back too soon. I was like, let's do this. At the end of the day, who's here for me? My family, Chris, my best friends. Are you kidding me? Shagsy's just knocking everything off my... And you guys. And you guys are there that know that I'm a human. I'm not some robot like banging out content and all this. You know that I need to take time. It just sucks. Like, it really sucks when Austin and I were talking. There were funny times. There were laughs. There were hugs. Serious times. There was crying. There was a real talk. There was every emotion you could possibly imagine. We are working on things. We are being adults. We're talking about our differences. I'm voicing my concerns and he's listening. We love each other. Love is so powerful, and when you find the person that you love, sometimes there's hardships. Relationships take work. Not everything is roses. Is it really a relationship if there's no downs? Because there's ups and downs in relationships. And how do you grow if you don't have hard times, correct? But it matters how you get through those hard times. And that is just where I'm at right now. I don't really know what's happening. And if through this I'm like, you know what, we can't do that, then okay. But if we can, then I will let you guys know. And I hope that's what can happen, is we can work through it. That is all I can do. And that, I hope, answers it for you guys. I don't want to answer like, why did you guys break up? Why did that happen? I don't feel the need to. There are some things that you need to keep private on YouTube, and everything doesn't need to be in the open. I want to say that in December, I'm going to be doing Vlog-December, but I want to know your guys' opinions. Do you think I should post every day in December, or do you think I should post, what do people do, every day up until Christmas Day? Do you think I should do that, or sometimes I've done Pinkcember. I could vlog every single day on the vlog channel. You guys love the vlogs. I could post every single day on PiinkSparkles channel, or I could post every single day in the month, but separate them from vlogs to PiinkSparkles, or just try to post as many videos as possible and not give myself a schedule. What do you guys think? That's the roads I'm at right now. Life is so important. Your well-being is so important. Breakup is probably one of the worst pains to get over. Leaving somebody who you love, leaving a relationship is one of the worst feelings in the world. I am lucky that in my job I can take off a few days. Not everyone has that. You break your leg and you can get a cast, or you know, like you get a cold so you get medicine. A heartbreak, there's no like, oh, here's a cure for that, you know. And a lot of bosses would be like, okay, get back to work, you know, something like that. And I'm just beyond thankful that I can just come back when I'm ready. The appreciation that I have in my soul for you guys is so immense. I love you guys. You're there for me, and you know that I'm not some monkey like banging out content like, oh yeah, put on a smile, here's content, here's a haul. Like, it's my real emotions, and if I'm not in it, you guys are like, oh wait, we'll wait. You would rather quality Samantha than just like half Samantha being like, hey everyone, you know? I think I'm just gonna put these lashes on without any liner or anything. We're just gonna stick them on and be done with this tutorial. It's not even a tutorial. Ew, did you see that? Ew. I really just want to tell everyone how amazing my mom and Chris are. Those people are huge in my life and were wanting the best for me, and I just wanted to be by myself and, you know, deal with things by myself, and with Austin work things out, because it's such an important relationship. And that's not saying their relationships aren't important to me, but they both gave me the true respect and time that I needed, as always they do. They just are the two lights in my life, and they just really care about me as a person and are always there for me. But I'm just saying, particularly during this time, I am so thankful for both of them. And I hope all of you have people in your life that you can count on and rely on like I can. Just are there for you if you need anything. I think I might just put on a little bit of Angel by MAC. I'm also thinking of going, not for sure, but just thinking of going back to school. And I don't know if I want to go back to school here or in a different province. I don't know if it'd be good for me. I don't know. I'm just kind of weighing my options in that way. I've said for a while, like, I've just want to get out of the city even for a little bit, like even for like a few months, or like, you know, to get some schooling or something, or I don't know if that's what I need. I don't know. I'm not trying to like pull strings and like run away from everything, but I kind of want to just explore my options, maybe take a tour. I'm very open to that. But overall, I am in a good place now, and that's what matters. And breakups are hard. Breakups are hard. The heartbreak, the pain, the feeling, everything you feel. And I know a lot of you guys have felt that as well. Not a fun time. And I love that I can just talk to you guys and tell you my thoughts. Oh, my lashes look good. I feel like they're all gonna pop off right now, and I don't know why. This is just what this video is just talking about my current life right now. It is what it is. Did that one just pop off? Yep. Cool. Why? I hate having to like re-glue sides of lashes. Ow. It's the most annoying thing. I hope I can bring in this new year with not such sad things happening. And if I do get back together with Austin and we make that change, don't worry, I'm not gonna keep you guys in the dark. You will know. And also, I am sorry for like not saying that I'm okay, because a lot of people were like, are you okay, girl? Like, you're not posting anything, you're not saying anything, you're not, you know, doing anything. At least I post some kind of story. I want to say sorry for that, but like, it's literally what I needed. It's literally what I needed, was just to unplug from social media completely and just cell phones in general. Turn it off. And maybe that's not what you need during a breakup. Maybe you need to do something completely different, and that's okay. There's no proper way of dealing with things. This is my makeup look. My hair is still a little bit wet, but I think I'm just gonna keep it natural and how it naturally falls like this. These are my natural waves. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you care about my personal life or were wondering what was going on, I hope I addressed it and said all the concerns. And thank you for giving also Austin the respect and time. Breakups suck. They're shitty and they're hard, and everyone deals with it in a different way. And thank you for letting me deal with it with me in my own way, in my own time, and giving me that privacy. Thank you guys. I wish you guys all the best today and all the happiness, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one.